Hello all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome again to the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Today we have two more coins for you from Fiji. We have the 1965 penny with this big hole in the center that you can see here. And then we have the 1994 2 cents. And look how much smaller it is and how much different it is. So we'll talk a little bit about that as we go along. But first, let's turn this over, and we see that on the front of the 1994 2 cents, we have a picture of Queen Elizabeth II, and it says Elizabeth II, and then it says Fiji 1994. As you can tell, this is a copper-plated coin. You can tell it's either copper or copper-plated zinc, which this one is. And we'll get a little closer so you can get a little bit more. And it just wears out in a real funny way, not a flattering way, actually. And with this particular coin, it has a smooth rim, and on the back, it has the value. On this coin over here, which is the 1 penny from 1965, it says Queen Elizabeth II, all in words. And we see this in a number of the protectorates or colonies or regions or independent countries of the UK. And it has a crown here. It says Queen Elizabeth II has a toothed interior of the rim. And actually, I don't know if we can see, but it actually has a raised rim here, so it's a little bit of a raised here. We see the dots between the words on here. And then when we turn it over, we see that the interior rim has another design on it, another kind of gear-like design on this one. And when we flip it down a little bit, we see that this coin has that geared or toothed interior on the outer rim also. This coin has a little bit of coloring to it, but we generally don't clean our coins. So this is the Fiji penny from 1965, and this is the 2 cent piece from 1994. And on the 2 cent piece from 1994, we also see a palm fan. So this is a palm leaf made into a fan. You can see how it's kind of strung here. It says 2 in the center of the fan, cents at the bottom. And this one also has a kind of a triangular interior rim on it. For the 1994 coin, the 2 cent piece, it is 3.16 grams. It's copper-plated zinc. It's 21.1 millimeters in diameter and 1.64 millimeters thick. This particular coin is not in use anymore in Fiji. It was demonetized on October 13th, 2008 and replaced. This coin, there were 6 million of them made. We don't have a value of it in Numista, so it's probably worth between 50 cents and $1, plus whatever you have for shipping. And since there were 6 million of them made, you probably will be able to find one out there. For some reason, the Fiji coins are not that collectible, but whenever we put up a video of them, people love to see it. So when we saw these coins come in, we said, let's get a video going. The 1965 Fiji penny, however, does have a value. This is probably worth $1.50 in this condition. We don't want to clean it up too much. We could probably get a little bit of this off, and it'd be worth $1.50. There were almost 1.5 million of them made, 1.44 million. But it's getting older now, so when we think of it, 1965 is 53 years ago, or over 53 years ago. So these coins are getting a little harder to find. People love these coins with a hole in the center. They use them for necklaces or beaded bracelets or whatever. And so these coins often get used for other purposes other than collectors, and that drives the price up for collectors. Well, that's all we have for today. Oh, let me tell you what this one's made of, though. And you can probably tell a little bit by looking at it. This is a copper nickel coin. It was made from 54 to 68. It weighs 6.64 grams, 26 millimeters in diameter, and its shape is round with a hole in it. Have a great day from the DC Coin World International Coin Channel, and feel free to subscribe to our channel if you like international coin videos.